Hi everyone, it's Emma and today I'm making my sesame and Kelpamare wok-fried broccoli recipe. So the broccoli here is the star of the show, but we've got some lovely sesame seeds, some nice healthy oils in there. So really it's just about taking a relatively simple ingredient and making it that bit more exciting. Firstly, I want you to chop your broccoli into florets. Next, heat the coconut oil in a wok and add your broccoli. Cook on a medium to high heat for 5 minutes until lightly coloured. Next, mix through the sesame oil and the Kelpamare and cook for a further 2 minutes. Finally, remove from the heat and garnish with some sesame seeds.